Hey guys, today's video is going to be a little different. I wore a GoPro while selling the $400 gaming PC I built on the channel, the very first video. So I was going to take you guys behind the scenes of what it's really like to meet a buyer in real life. Parking lot, cash deals, the whole process. Let's check it out. Said everything else is gated.
Give me that car right there.
Yeah. How's it going? How's it going?
Chris, nice to meet you.
Good, I'm Garrett. Nice to meet you.
This is my
Hi. So here it is. I just put a little piece of tape over it. I figured you'd want to look into it or look at it real quick.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Alright. So here's a brand new USB dongle or a Wi-Fi dongle. Alright, so if you want to hang on to that. And another piece of foam. Alright, so it's not actually going to make contact with the ground because of the foam. Alright, so it's upside down. And so this is a power cable. This is all you really need. And these are just the extra ones that were in the power supply box because it was a brand new box. Yep.
All right.
So, however you want to do it, it's all you.
All right.
I just don't want to scratch it up.
Yeah.
I can kind of hold it for you if you want to pull everything off. And here, let's just do this, and I'll hold this end. You want to work on that side.
All right. Looks good.
Yeah. So if right now, so I just peeled this back because if you see these, I was worried there was a scratch there, and so I just wanted to peel it back to make sure it wasn't actually etched, and it's not. So you're all good. So if you want to take this off, you literally just
press it out.
Of course, if it doesn't fight you so much, probably just need to pull out this end. But yeah, these panels just pull off. Yeah, okay. And then if you hold that one, and you can see this guy. And all your parts are in there.
It's beautiful.
Let's get you back in there.
That's great, man.
Yeah, thank you.
I mean, what did you build it? Was it like a couple weeks ago?
Yeah, so I built it and then I spent the next like 25 hours editing the video. Yeah. And then it was posted right after that. Yeah. So yeah, I think it was released about 2 weeks ago. Wow. So yeah, I built it probably 2.5 weeks ago or something like that.
That's really cool, man.
Yeah, definitely. So if I don't know if you plan on upgrading it. Yeah. Obviously, I do recommend it. This is a really budget. Yeah. So step one would be your SSD. Yeah, SSD. So the whole goal of the video was to bring the total MSRP to under 400, right? That was the whole goal. Yeah. So originally, I actually bought a 1 terabyte for it and 32 gigs of RAM, but then it pushes it over. Yeah. I don't want to call it a $450 build, right?
To keep it realistic.
And so if I first piece I would go from a 500 gig to a 1 terabyte. I mean, I'm sure you're playing games on it.
Yeah, of course.
Call of Duty is 100 gigs. You have a 500 gig hard drive. Yeah, so Windows 11 consumes freaking a chunk. So it's just you're only going to have a couple games on it at a time, and then you're going to have to cycle, which sucks.
So just start with 1 terabyte.
So, and if you're looking for a specific one, you could literally go on Amazon. Yeah. It's Cleb Crab C910. It's a 1 terabyte. They're like $50. Okay. And boom, there's an instant. The very next step is you could either go GPU or RAM, right?
Yeah, to 32.
Yeah, so you could do 32. You can get a set of 32 for $50 on Amazon, right? Okay. And if you need a link, I could send you a link even. Yeah, that'd be cool. And then the next thing is GPU. right? So you'll play everything. You're just not going to be able to have settings cranked, right? Like you kind of got a general realistic of settings. I showed some benchmarking, right?
1080p.
So the very next step, honestly, is you could find 3070s for like $250.
Oh, those are good.
And I mean, that's like a good deal. Don't ever pay over $250. You'll find them all day for $300. $250, I will not go over $250 for a 3070. So anywhere between $200 and $250, jump on it. And you do that, and this thing's solid. Your CPU is totally good to go. Everything else is caught up. You would be running absolutely you would be able to play any game with those, right? Yeah, you can get a 3070 is going to run absolutely anything and stuff like that.
It has everything it needs, you know.
Yeah.
It's very powerful too. So.
Yeah, definitely.
I got the hoodie right here, so.
Here, I'll cover this thing back. Feel free to hit me up if you have any issues.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Obviously, I'm not giving you like a lifetime warranty or anything. No. But absolutely don't hesitate. If you have any issues, just hit me up, right? Even if it's in a year, you're like, hey, this happened, just send me a message. It's not a big deal,
I'll
right?
hit you up if I got any questions.
Yeah. Yeah, like I said, step one, SSD. Honestly, 16 gigs is going to run most games.
Yeah, 16 gigs.
The only thing is like super unoptimized games.
Yeah.
You know, things that are alpha, beta, stuff like that that aren't optimized. That's when you're going to run into where it's consuming too much RAM, or you get RAM leaks and memory leaks and stuff like that. But then the GPU. But honestly, my wife still plays on the same graphics card, and she just plays everything. It just doesn't bother her. So
it just works,
yeah. So.
Well, I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, definitely.
You can count it.
Perfect. All right, and then one says front, one says back. It's all dirty. Back's on. All right. Slide that on there. Pull that. Oh, get my finger out of there.
There we go.
All right, and then this up.
Oh, did we put this on the side or?
Yeah, I put it on the glass side.
Okay.
So the glass side is right here. So the fat one drops right in there. And then yeah, I just kind of slide these guys. This is the back of it.
All right.
I even put, oh, it's not gonna help you now because we put it on the wrong way. I had an F for the front. I wouldn't just lay it in your car. Don't have the GPU upside down. So we know this is the glass side. Yeah. Either have it sit like this or have it sit like that in your car, okay? And drive like you have an infant in your car, because what I should have done, and I feel bad, and I'm sure it'll be just fine, is if you ship a PC, you should put like Instapacks in there, like foam packs that expand, right? And honestly, I should have done that for you.
Yeah, no worries.
The thing is you do that for shipping. UPS, they don't care. They drop it, right?
They just throw
and I'm like, oh, I was driving here and I was thinking about that. I was like, oh, I probably should have done something, but it's a 2-fan GPU and a brand new motherboard. So like everything is nice and tight. So you should be all good to go. Boom, there you go. Yeah, have a good one.
All right, yeah, you too.
So I'm gonna put this little transaction on YouTube. Do you want me to cut your guys' face out or anything?
No, I don't care.
Awesome. Well, you guys have a good one.
Thanks, you too.
Yeah.
Take care.
Like I said, hit me up if you have any issues.
All right, thank
you. No. I'm sure the video, Jesus, it should still be recording. Yeah. I wanted to give a shout out to Chris for being FPS for Less's very first customer. Thank you very much. You are very much appreciated, and hopefully there'll be many more to come. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it.